All right. If you want to create amazing AI images for your business, for your brand, for a project, whatever it is, this video is for you, right? Uh, this is an AI generated image, right? This is not real. I created this with AI, and I'm using my favorite AI tool. Everything will be in the description, right? And the purpose of this video is for you to see what kind of words I'm using to get the images that I'm looking for. Now you probably say, why are you showing me this? Check this out. I can't, I'm gonna have to mute the song, but I'm gonna show you what I did with this image, right? I took this image, I created something. It was supposed to be like a funny meme. I posted it on. I had to pause this. Uh, 1 second. This is TikTok. I posted it on TikTok, and this one got me 250,000 views on TikTok, and you can see 36,000 like, 518 comments, and 3,236 save. So it's good to do what you do. If you have an idea and whatever it is, it's possible. I don't even know how to describe this. So I saw something on Instagram, and I'm like, I could do something similar. I did it. Use my AI tool to do it. Midjourney did it. Post the concept on TikTok. It took off. So you could do the same thing too. All right. Now let's get back to Midjourney. So this is an AI generated image, and as you can see here, this is what I used to get this picture, right? And I was trying to get a whole bunch of picture because I wanted to do something. It was Thanksgiving, and I wanted to create this specific meme, but I had to generate over like 50 images just to get that one correct one. And I think this one was the winner. And as you can see, I got 250,000 views on TikTok just for doing that. So it worked. But if you want to do something similar, or you want to generate image for anything, you could check out the kind of prompt I'm using, and you could use the same thing and to generate what you want to generate. Let me go ahead and show you what I generated and how everything came out. You can see this thing looks so real, but this is not real. This is AI generated. This is the prompt I used to get those pics, and this is the prompt I used to get those pics. What else? And the list goes on and on. And of course, this is our winner right here. Once again, let me go ahead and show you 250,000 views. And you can see the comments, right? Check out the comments. Everybody was commenting like, oh my God. You see the comments? Check out the comments. People was loving it. People was loving it.